Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to check for the firmware updates on this device. We can check for the firmware updates on this device in two ways. First method is to check it on the watch, and the second method is to check it via the phone application. So let's start with the first method. To check it on the watch, simply press the home button to wake up the screen on your watch, then press the home button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, tap on the system option, and here tap on update. And as you can see, it detected that we have the update available, and we can tap right here to start installing it. And to check it on the app, simply open the phone application, Huawei Health application on your phone, tap on the devices, select your Huawei Watch GT Runner from the list of devices, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the firmware update. Tap on it, and after a second or two, it should tell you if there is a new update or not. As you can see, I have an update I can download, so we can tap on the download and update, for example, and start downloading the update. And it's gonna update the watch automatically, so this is gonna be automated process. You don't need to do anything. Only thing you should check before you start updating your watch is to check if the battery level is at least, I don't know, 20% or something like that, so the watch won't die during the updating process. And once the update is done installing, you can tap on finish, and you can again check if there is any updates available. And we have another one, as you can see, but I'm not gonna install it again. So that's how you check for the firmware updates on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.